Scania infotainment systems not turning on are often due to power-related problems. The most common causes are low voltage from the truck's 24-volt battery, blown fuses, or electrical glitches. Start by visually inspecting the fuse box, usually located under the driver's seat. Check specific fuses related to the infotainment system, such as fuse 12 in R-series trucks. Use a multimeter to confirm voltage stability, which should be between to 30 volts. Drops below 18 volts can prevent startup. Identify error codes using Scania's SDP3 software, like U001, which is CAN bus communication error often caused by power problems. Understanding these fundamentals is key to a quick fix. A battery reset can resolve many infotainment startup failures. Disconnect both battery terminals for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the system's ECU. This clears minor electrical glitches. After reconnecting, ensure the battery provides stable voltage. Use a multimeter to check voltage levels. To prevent future issues, monitor battery health and voltage regularly. Scania's newer models feature over-the-air updates and AI-driven diagnostics to predict failures. Electrified trucks use high-voltage batteries and regenerative braking, minimizing power-related problems. If problems persist, consult a certified Scania mechanic, especially for complex cases or warranty concerns. Remember, early intervention prevents costly replacements, which can range from €1,000 to €5,000.